Quinoa is a nutritional powerhouse. It has all 9 essential amino acids. It is high in fiber, has lots of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. But incorporating it into our meals often can be a challenge, as it can be a little bland if you don't jazz it up. Or eat it in a salad, or have it with some protein like fish or chicken, etc. So today I am going to show you how I cook quinoa to taste and look like our Jamaican rice and peas. So let's start by cutting up some scallions. Scallion has vitamins A, C, K, and antioxidants like quercetin and allicin to protect the cells. Next, we're going to cut up a piece of onion. Onions have anti-inflammatory properties. It also have prebiotic fiber to help with gut health, and it also have antioxidant like quercetin to fight cell damage. Add the pieces to the bowl. We're going to also use some thyme for this meal. Thyme boosts immunity, fights inflammation, and offers respiratory health benefits. We're also going to use some immune boosting garlic. We're going to use a tricolor quinoa and the regular quinoa. Put some of the regular quinoa first in a strainer. Next, we're going to add some of the tricolor quinoa to the regular quinoa in the strainer. Put as much as you like depending on serving size. I washed the quinoa in the strainer, now it's ready. We're also going to use 1 can of organic kidney beans. To a pot with boiling water, we're going to add the quinoa. Stir the quinoa. Next, add the can of rinsed kidney beans to the pot. Stir to combine evenly. Next, we're going to add the mashed garlic cloves. Also, a quick tip for anyone who's not familiar with cooking quinoa, we're going to cook the quinoa like we're cooking rice. Add your favorite seasoning. I'm using my 21 seasoning salute. Add a generous amount to the pot. Next, I'm going to add some garlic powder. I'm also going to add some basil seasoning. Add a small dash of oregano seasoning. Add a little allspice powder, or you could use pimento seeds if you have those. This is optional. Add some chili powder. I like adding peppers to my meals. I'm also going to add some chili red pepper flakes. Add some iodized sea salt. Iodine is essential for thyroid health. Add a pinch of Celtic salt. It has 84 minerals. This is optional. We're also going to add a dash of Himalayan pink salt. It has lots of minerals. We're also going to add some black pepper. Add about 1 vegan bouillon cube. Break it up into smaller pieces and add it to the pot. Add your onion slices to the pot. We're also going to add our scallion pieces to the pot. Mix to combine everything evenly. Let's add some thyme to the pot. You can also shred off some of the little tiny leaves of the thyme if you prefer. Like this, so you have some tiny leaves all over the quinoa meal. Stir to combine everything evenly. Just like when cooking rice, you want to make sure you have adequate amount of water to cook the quinoa evenly. The quinoa is all done. Nice like Jamaican rice and peas. It looks and basically almost tastes similar. I'm sharing. You could also add some coconut milk. Some of the time I use coconut milk and some of the time I don't. This quinoa is flavored. You can eat it by itself or you could add it to your favorite protein meal. So there you have it, using quinoa to taste and look like Jamaican rice and peas. Enjoy! To help you improve your health, please pick up a copy of my book and my natural and holistic health course on sale at shirleenwees.com. It would mean the world to me, supports this channel, and thank you in advance. This is one powerhouse meal. It has lots of protein, lots of fiber, lots of antioxidants, and more. So delicious and healthy.